receiving this link, it's because you've been asked by Woodbury IT to help us alleviate resources on our on-premises servers. What does that mean? If you're a business worker and you are using Office Suite tied to Connects, then you may be getting out-of-memory errors. And so I'm going to give you two quick workarounds to avoid that. Both of them are going to involve logging into your Office 365 account. So on this page, or any web browser that you have, you're going to go into office.com. Use your Woodbury domain email as if you don't know that already. Sign in, it's network password. You're going to receive a screen like this with all your apps across the top. The first option is going to be on your far right. You will have an install Office window. Fantastic. So on your personal laptop or home computer, you can do exactly what it says. Office 365 apps includes all of these. There are other different install options and more once you get further into it, including if you want to use Microsoft Teams or whatever. For today's purposes, we're going to understand that you mostly want Outlook or Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So this is your first one. You can download, install it. Most likely, though, once you install it, you will need a admin, such as myself, to authenticate it for you. You would do that by contacting Help Desk. We set up a quick TeamViewer account. We remote in and make sure the installation is licensed and working on your computer. The second method is far easier. I probably should have opened with that. But once you're this far, you can go into Word and you can create a new document. Since you're using OneDrive a lot, and since what I find is most people are used to, or at least of all the products, they use OneDrive the most. Once you're in there, you can go to New, and let's say you want to work in Excel. It's going to open a browser version which is supported by Microsoft servers, not ours on premises. So if these crash, well, things are a lot worse than we think. But you will not get the out-of-memory issue which you get through Connects. So it works exactly the same way through the browser. You're going to have all the same functionality, although you can choose to save the document to your OneDrive cloud account as well as locally. I would say do both. Don't just rely solely on the cloud, and don't solely rely on your personal hard drive. Have a copy both places. So that's pretty much it. Again, you can open any normal Word app. Going through your mail should be fine as well. Just go through a web browser for mail.woodbury.edu, or you can download Outlook and set up your Woodbury account that way. And that alleviates the extra stress off our servers. Questions, you probably know the number, and helpdesk at woodbury.edu. Thanks.